Louis Vuitton Imagination versus a Rabiat Prestige Marwa versus Bujermi's Hectic. So we all know the Imagination DNA is that clean, soapy, sweet, citrusy, tea type of smell. Now, when it comes to the original Louis Vuitton Imagination, when it comes to how good this is blended and just the quality that is in this bottle, you're not beating it. But you can get pretty damn close. First, we'll start off with Marwa. Look at that atomizer. Don't want to get that in my mouth. Best way to describe Marwa is it's just a fresher take on Imagination. Imagination has a top note of citron, which gives it this like tiny hint of sweetness, and Marwa takes away that citron and adds a lemon. So like I said, think of Imagination just a little bit more citrusy, not as soapy, not as sweet. It's more tea and like citrus based. And now when it comes to Hectic, again, good atomizer. Hectic smells closer to Imagination than Marwa does, but Hectic is an extrait de parfum. So I will say that Hectic almost comes off, in the opening at least, just a little bit more harsh. But once that goes away after like 10 to 20 minutes, it does smell closer to the original Imagination than Marwa does, and Hectic has the best performance out of all of these. Hectic does have that sweetness that Imagination has, but Marwa does not have. But like I said, out of all of these, Hectic is the harshest or the sharpest, but it also is the strongest. So performance-wise, Hectic comes in first place, and then Marwa, and Imagination just barely falls short of Marwa. And that's not saying Imagination has bad performance. That's just saying that Hectic has very, very good performance, Marwa has very good performance, and Imagination just has good performance, if that makes sense. If I had an infinite amount of money, I'm still choosing Imagination just because you can tell, like, it's the best blended, it's the highest quality. You can tell that easily, and it smells the best. Now, if I had to choose between two dupes, I would definitely choose Hectic just because it does smell closer to Imagination than Marwa does, and it's the best at performance. $350, $35, $45. Do with that information what you will.